Hope you all are fine. Welcome to the English Academy. In this video, we are going to have a look at the chapters included in one of the classic and the most interesting novel by Frances Hodgson Burnett, and the novel is The Secret Garden. Before going towards introducing you the chapters, I want you to know something about this novel. The Secret Garden by Frances Hodgson Burnett is a story about Mary Lennox, who lives in India with her parents. She is a young bitter girl who is spoiled by her ayah and servants and neglected by her parents. After a deadly disease results in her losing her family, she is sent to Misselthwaite Manor, Yorkshire, to be raised by her uncle, Mr. Archibald Craven. Her loneliness and curiosity leads her to find the secret garden, which has been locked for 10 years. Join Mary and her friends in their exploration of the secret garden and the other secrets of the Misselthwaite Manor with this exciting and engaging novel. The Secret Garden is a beautiful narration of transformation, power of beautiful thoughts, and friendship. So, it was a little introduction about this novel. The novel is wholly based on a girl, Mary Lennox. After her parents died, she was sent to Misselthwaite Manor, which is actually owned by her uncle. There she uncovered, revealed, or came to know about so many interesting things over there. She actually find a new version of herself, because before it she was always helped by her ayahs, her servants. But when she will go to the manor, she has to manage all the things by her own. Moreover, she came across so many other exciting things. She befriends with so many few people, you can say. So you will get to know more about this novel when I will be explaining you or giving you the explanation of the each chapter individually. But today in this video, we will just have a look at the chapters included in it. Basically, the chapter is comprised of 27 units. The chapter number 1 is There is No One Left. Chapter 2, Mistress Mary Quite Contrary. Chapter 3, Across the Moor. Chapter number 4, Martha. Chapter number 5, The Cry in the Corridor. Chapter 6, There Was Someone Crying. There was. Chapter number 7, The Key of the Garden. Chapter 8, The Robin Who Showed the Way. Chapter number 9, The Strangest House Anyone Ever Lived in. Chapter number 10, Dickon. Chapter 11, The Nest of the Missel Thrush. Then you have chapter number 12, Might I Have a Bit of Earth. 13th chapter is I Am Colin. Chapter 14th, A Young Raja. Chapter number 15, Nest Building. Chapter 16, I Won't, Said Mary. 17th chapter is A Tantrum. Chapter number 18, That Would Not Waste No Time. 19, It Has Come. Chapter number 20, I Shall Live Forever and Ever and Ever. 21 is about Ben Weatherstaff. 22, When the Sun Went Down. Chapter number 23 is all about magic. Chapter number 24, Let Them Laugh. Chapter number 25, The Curtain. Chapter number 26, Its Mother. And finally, here comes the last chapter, which is number 27, In the Garden. So these are all the chapters that are included in this novel, or this novel is split into these 27 exciting and interesting chapters. Students, while I was reading all the chapters, you also came across some of the characters. That includes, obviously, first of all, Mary. Then Martha is there, Dickon, Colin is there. Martha, and all other Ben Weather stuff is there. So I will be explaining you or introducing you all these characters in my next video, right? Now this is the time for a comprehensive overview of this novel. That while reading this novel, what you will come to know about. This novel, The Secret Garden, written by Frances Hodgson Burnett in 1911, is a classic of English language children's literature. Set in India and Yorkshire, England, the story is narrated in the third person style. The Secret Garden is a beautiful story about friendship and the power of beautiful thoughts, as I told you before. Once you start reading it, it will keep you engaged throughout. As you read, you will meet one of the protagonists, a young girl named Mary Lennox. Protagonist means the main lead or the main character of the novel. A young girl, her name is Mary, who is a spoiled and bitter child. Mary had been living in India with her parents. She was looked after by her servants and ayah and neglected by her parents, and this is the main reason that she has become spoiled and bitter. Mary is thus an unloved and lonely child, which primarily is the reason for her unpleasant personality. As I told you. Eventually, Mary's parents died due to the cholera epidemic, and as a result, she is sent to Yorkshire, England to live with her uncle, Mr. Archibald Craven. Her uncle is described as being depressed ever since his wife died 10 years ago in the secret garden. This is another thing, a new thing which has been revealed right here, that Mr. Archibald Craven is having a depressed personality because he lost his wife 10 years ago in the secret garden. After arriving at the Misselthwaite Manor, Yorkshire, Mary spends her time exploring the place, hoping to find the secret garden. Mary meets a number of people and gets to know them. If you remember, I also told you that while during this whole journey, Mary will meet few people, she will be friends with them, and together they will explore the secret garden. She makes new friends and her character evolves during the course of the book. You will also read about the second protagonist, Colin. He is Mr. Craven Archibald's 10-year-old son. Colin Craven is 10-year-old son of Mr. Archibald Craven, who is Mary's uncle. As Colin reminds Mr. Archibald about his late wife, he avoids him, and because of this, Colin has always been bedridden and fears he will die soon. Actually, Mr. Archibald Craven is not happy with his son Colin because when he was born, his mother was died, and somehow he thought that he is the reason of his mother's death. So that's why he is a sort of unpleasant with him. And for that reason, Colin does not get out of his room. He stays in his bed and he feels that he is ill and one day he will die. He stays in his room only until Mary finds him. As you read on, the story will reveal how Colin is transformed through magic. Colin will be in his room, will be limited to his room until Mary will find him. After Mary found him, there will be some sort of transformation in his personality, and it will be done throughout the magic. Now we need to see that is this a real magic or was it a complete process? Was it Mary that helps him in this way? So all these things we are going to read in this novel. The Secret Garden is considered one of the best works of Frances. It teaches us that how love and true friendship can bring joy and happiness to anyone, even the unhappiest of souls. So, students, it was all from the very first video of this novel, The Secret Garden, in which we came to know about that how many chapters are there in the novel, what are their names. I gave you a short, you can say a brief overview or of the novel, that what we are going to read in this novel. Still, if you have any query regarding the introduction, you can ask me in comment section, and wait for the next video, because in next video is going to be rather interesting, because in the next video I will be introducing all the characters included in the novel. Till the next video, take care, bye bye.